Hi there, this is Khushi and in this video we'll be talking about some common stretching mistakes that you might be doing during a flexibility training. It is obvious that if we don't perform the stretches in the correct way, we will just end up hurting up our muscles and nothing else. If you're aware of these common mistakes, very good for you, but if you're a beginner, so you should check out all these mistakes and try to amend them. So let's get started.
The most common stretching mistake can be seen in while performing the front lunge. If the angle of inclination of your front leg is less than 90 degrees or more than that, it won't cause an effective stretch in your legs, rather you can end up hurting up your hamstrings. So in order to correct this lunge position, you have to incline your front leg at 90 degrees angle, keep your back straight and try to push your leg downwards. Look in front while you are performing this stretch. You can also try pushing your hips downwards while performing this lunge. This is truly effective exercise for front splits and over splits. Another common mistake made by the people is that they generally don't warm up before performing the stretching exercises. No matter whether you're a beginner or you're expert at stretching, you should warm up before performing the stretches. A pre-stretching warm-up will help to increase your body's core temperature, to make muscles more pliable and generate blood flow to the muscles and connective tissue. This warm-up should be accompanied by the dynamic as well as the static stretches. The third common stretching mistake is made by the people during the seated forward bend. As you can see, in this position, the head is hung down and you can feel the stress in your neck. This is not an effective exercise, rather you will feel dizziness in your head and pain in your lower back and neck. So, in order to correct this position, we will first stretch our hamstrings, looking forward, and you will feel the stretch in your hips. After this, you can point your feet and try to bend your back downwards. You can also touch your nose to your knee. You might have seen many people would recommend you to hold your breath while stretching. Actually, you should not do that because conscious breathing makes the stretching more effective. Many people unintentionally hold their breath while stretching, which can cause muscles to become tense and resistant. Also, it may happen that you may feel dizziness in your head while you're performing the extreme back bends and holding up your breath. So it is not advisory that you should hold your breath while stretching. You might have observed the dilemma in how to perform the front splits effectively and in correct method. But as you can see in the video, this is not the correct way to perform the front splits. You should never split along your inner thighs while you're doing the front splits. The correct method of doing the front splits is to begin with a low lunge position with the back knee down. Then you have to place your hands on either side of the hips with the front foot flat to start. The back toes should be pointed. Begin to glide the front foot forward while pointing the toes and draw the right foot back while easing the hips towards the floor. The sixth common stretching mistake is overstretching your muscles. Even though you're very good at flexibility, but you should never overstretch your muscles. Because stretching should never be painful. Exerting too much energy or going too deep into a stretch can result in a torn muscle. You may feel slightly uncomfortable during a stretch, but it should never hurt you. The common stretching mistake can be seen while performing the middle splits. When you are not able to do the middle splits completely, that is probably because of your wrong posture. You should never split along your heels because that won't cause an effective stretch, but surely pain your heels. Your hands should be away from your feet and you should always try to keep your back and your legs parallel to the floor, no matter how much you can split. It is true that our muscles require rest after the consistent stretching, but that doesn't mean you're going to take a prolonged rest. The goal of stretching for the average person is to maintain flexibility and mobility in your joints and muscles. Adding moderate stretching to your daily routine helps you to move with ease and reduces chronic pain. So you should stretch every day. wall straddle is one of the most effective exercises that help you to get into your middle splits, but performing this in a wrong way can cause you unnecessary pain. While you're performing the wall straddle or lying leg abduction, you should avoid the gap between your legs and your walls. Your legs should be joined to the wall no matter how much you can stretch. And the last and most common stretching mistake is stretching an injured muscle. Injured tissues need a break in order to heal. So in order to avoid the injury in your muscles, you should perform simple stretches every day in order to relieve them and stay consistent over the practice.
If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe my channel and hit that bell icon to stay notified. You can also follow me over social media to get the daily updates. And also comment down if you want me to make some skincare tutorials or just random vlogs. I'll be waiting for your response. See you in the next video guys. Keep smiling.